Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can save edits and changes in your audio track project on LMMS. So let us guide you through this. So guys, launch the LMMS audio editor, and what you want to do is click into file in the top left and then either start a new file or navigate to your current audio project. I will go with this new project, blank empty project here. So to save these changes, click into save here, or before you do that guys, make sure that you click into save as below and then navigate to to the given location on your device and set the folder here. Give your file a name, select the file type, which is usually LMMS project, and then click into save to save the project. And from now on you can save edits and changes by clicking into this button on or for the given project. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.